Hey baby, did you lose a bowling ball? Because I have one in my arm.
You look like you worked out. Want to be my soulmate?
What's your favorite color? Mine is buff.
They closed Mount Everest. They found a bigger rock.
Almost got shot by a hunter who thought I was a beast.
The army called me earlier today. They're looking for a missing tank.
I plead the Second Amendment, the right to bear arms.
Got a problem with rats? Try these traps.
You want some drinks? I brought a 6-pack. No, really, it's right there.
Please, guys, no one's gonna pick up on the humor of this episode.